Hello everyone. Do you owe money on your income tax and need to make a payment using Revenue Online? If you've already set up a payment plan, also called an installment agreement, with the Colorado Department of Revenue, you can follow these easy steps. My name is Steve, and on behalf of the Colorado Department of Revenue, it is my pleasure to walk you through this video on how to quickly and easily make an income tax payment by logging into your Revenue Online account. You can pause and rewind this video at any time to review the information provided. Let's go ahead and get started. The Colorado Department of Revenue aims to make complex tax information easier to understand. The information provided in this presentation will only address how to make an income tax payment through your Revenue Online account. The first thing you need to do to make a payment using your Revenue Online account is log in. Go to Colorado.gov/Revenue Online. Enter your username and password in the login box and then click Login. On the account screen, select the Make a Payment option located in the account box, as shown here. The system automatically takes you to the ACH payment screen. ACH stands for Automatic Clearinghouse and allows your payment to be withdrawn directly from either your checking or savings account. If you do not want to use ACH to make your payment, simply click on the blue Other Payment Methods hyperlink highlighted here for other payment options. In this example, we're going to use ACH from our checking account to make our payment. Enter your ACH debit banking account information on the left-hand side of the payment screen under Domestic Bank Information. Please note, if you have an ACH debit block with your bank, you will need to contact them and request the number D846-000-537 be added to the debit block filter before proceeding with your ACH debit payment. Failure to do so will result in your ACH debit payment being rejected. Click on the bank account type you wish to use for your payment. In this example, we've selected checking. You'll then enter your bank's 9-digit routing number. Banks often list their routing number on their website, and you can also easily find it on your check. The routing number is the first 9 numbers printed on the bottom of your check in the lower left, as shown here. Your bank name will populate automatically after you enter your routing number. Next, enter and confirm your bank account number and select whether or not you wish to save your banking information for future use. On the payment side, first click the drop-down arrow under Payment Type and select Payment Plan Payment. Next, click the drop-down arrow under Period and select the year for which you owe and are making payment. The system will only accept the current date for the payment date. You'll then select the amount you wish to pay, either the current balance or other amount, enter the amount you wish to pay, confirm the amount, and then click Submit. On the confirmation screen, confirm you have the correct amount and correct filing period, then enter your password. Your password serves as your electronic signature for the payment. Then click OK. Please note that payments submitted after 4 p.m. Mountain Time will be processed on the next business day. The confirmation screen contains your payment confirmation number, payment details, and information on how to contact the department, so you may want to print a copy for your records. If you see a mistake or want to make a change, it's not too late. While your payment is still pending, you can return to your account, cancel the payment, and make a new one. Otherwise, simply click OK to return to your account screen and you're finished. As a reminder, there are many resources available to you through the Colorado Department of Revenue. Please keep these resources in mind if you find you need additional support. My name is Steve, And on behalf of the Colorado Department of Revenue, Taxation Division, Education and Training, thank you for watching this video. The Colorado Department of Revenue is always here to help you be voluntarily tax compliant through information, education, assistance, and customer service.